You're about to discover the easiest way to make high-ticket affiliate commissions starting from zero. Now you can see on the screen right here, this was a testimonial of someone that used one of my strategies. You can see already made 2 sales, and you're about to discover the exact steps to go from no experience, no tech skills, to making your first high-ticket commission this week. You're gonna learn the biggest hack to make fast sales, and this is almost too easy. When you see in a second this hack, you're gonna be mind blown at how really effortless it will be for you. Now, you're gonna also unlock the #1 trick to getting people desperate to buy from you. So maybe you have a little bit of experience, you've been going out there trying to market and make sales, and if it's been a bit challenging, this one trick, this one realization for you will change everything. And I'm gonna share much, much more. So stay tuned because you do not wanna miss this. Now, when you wanna start making high ticket affiliate commissions, this right here is the biggest hack to fast and easy sales. Like I said, especially if you're brand new and you have no experience. So what you wanna understand is the temperature of different people. Now, I'm gonna break this down very simply because a lot of people never realize this breakthrough, and this could be costing you thousands of dollars, okay? So first off, there is cold temperature, warm, and hot, okay? Now, when you go to market and promote high ticket affiliate offers and programs, you wanna understand the temperature of the people you're marketing to. So there's cold right here. Now, cold traffic, as we call it, or cold temperature of people, these are people that don't know you at all. Okay, so these are people that you've never met, you've never talked to, they're very cold. So if you try to market to cold people, cold traffic, as we call it, it's gonna take a while to actually convert those people into sales because they have to actually go through these temperatures, okay, until they're ready to buy right here. So you wanna really avoid cold traffic when you're first starting. If you want to make a sale within your first week, trying to convert cold traffic is not really what you want to focus on. Instead, you want to focus on warm traffic, okay? Now, warm traffic, this is people that you're friends with or people that follow you on social media, okay? So pretty much everyone watching this on some social media platform, you have at least a few friends or a few followers. Okay, if you have a Facebook, chances are you probably have at least 20 friends on your Facebook profile. If you have an Instagram, chances are you have at least a dozen Instagram followers. Okay, now these people are your warm market. These are your warm traffic. These people, they already kind of know, like, and trust you, right? Now, this is the biggest hack to fast and easy sales because they already, like I said, know, like, and trust you. So when you go to promote to these people using the strategy I'm gonna share in just a second inside of this very video, you're gonna be able to get those people very, very interested in buying, and some of those people will actually buy from you because, again, they already trust you. When you see gurus online and they join something that's brand new, like a brand new offer that launches, and they make a ton of sales very quickly, maybe you've wondered, how is this possible? The way they're able to do that is they're launching to their warm market. It's people that already like them, already know them, so they believe their recommendation with this new product and they join or buy from them. So how do we actually target your warm market to get you making sales as fast as possible? Well, what you want to understand, okay, is, like I said, we're going to leverage it. I want to ask you this question. What social media site do you already have the most friends or followers? Because the more friends and followers, the more sales. Now, like I said, even if you only have like 10 friends, one of them could potentially buy from you. So you don't need hardly any to actually start to make your first sale. And then once you make your first sale, you'll be able to scale that and use the strategy that I share a little bit later to really make even more sales. But Maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Facebook. There's no right answer. Okay, really think about which one do I have the most, you know? Now in this video, I'm gonna be using Facebook, but you can apply this strategy to any social media site that you have a few friends or followers, okay? Now this could be some family members, okay? This could be some, friends that you have in person, right? Or maybe some online friends. It really doesn't matter, but pick the one that you have the most, okay? Now, what you wanna do, okay, is now we want to actually use the #1 trick to get people desperate to buy. Forgive this interruption, but I wanted to share I have a free A to Z affiliate marketing blueprint to take you from where you are to where you want to go as fast and as easy as possible. Just go to the link directly below and get access to that free blueprint while it's still available. Without further ado, let's continue with the training. Once we start marketing to our warm market, now we want to use this trick. And this trick is a psychological phenomenon, okay, that works over and over again, no matter what niche, no matter what product you're actually promoting, okay? And this right here, it's called social proof. Now, if you don't know what social proof is, this is a fancy word, or words, that has to do with this, okay? This is the definition. It's a psychological and social phenomenon wherein people copy the actions of others in choosing how to behave in a given situation. So what this is every single person in the world has deep inside of them a psychological urge to look and observe their peers, look at and observe other people, and then copy that behavior. Okay, so this is also deploying the concept of FOMO, fear of missing out. Okay, so when you deploy by showcasing what other people are doing, they're gonna wanna do it too. They don't wanna miss out on this amazing thing, right? So how do we deploy social proof to get our warm market, people that already know, like, and trust us, to buy from us within our first week of joining a brand new affiliate program? What we want to do is we want to actually leverage testimonials. If you've ever seen an ad or you've ever seen a commercial where someone's talking about their story on the results they've gotten from a product or offer, what you're listening to is their testimonial. Now, testimonials is the fastest way you're going to be able to make your first sales. The reason is, a lot of people ask me, maybe you've had this question in your mind before, how do I promote a product or a offer if I've never made a sale, or I've never made any money, or I've never lost weight with this product? How do you sell a product if you yourself have not yet have any results from it? And this is where you want to leverage other people's results, okay? Now, once you leverage other people's results by sharing testimonials, okay, then you can start to leverage your own results. So for example, if you're in the make money online niche, okay, or what's called the MMO, make money online, a lot of people want to promote, okay, the ability to make money, but they've never made money themselves in that offer, that program. What you can do is leverage other people's results. Then once you get your own result, now you start promoting your results. So you use other people to get your own, and then you promote your own results. So now, where do you find testimonials? Okay, because this is really the key with this strategy. We want to find testimonials of other people so we can leverage that on the social media platform with our warm market to start to get those people to buy from us. Where you're going to find testimonials are these 3 main places. Okay, so from the sales page, so whatever offer you're promoting, chances are it has a page that is the sales page. It's a page that's going to actually sell people. I'm going to share with you in a second what an example is. From the Facebook group, okay, so maybe your affiliate program or product that you're promoting has a private members Facebook group. A lot of times there will have testimonials, or from a school community. Okay, nowadays the platform School has a lot of different groups on there, and maybe the program you're promoting has a group inside of School where they show testimonials. Okay, now I want to share with you an example. So if I actually go to a sales page here, you're going to be able to see, okay, that if you scroll down on the sales page, typically they will have testimonials. You can see these are testimonials right here, okay? And I can take any of these photos and I can leverage those in my marketing. Now, I said also school. This is a school community here of an affiliate program. And I can actually go to the wins section that they have, and they have all these different testimonials. Okay, now this specific program is in the make money online niche. So most of these people are going to be talking about making money. So let's say I want to use this person here. It's 4 hours ago. What you want to do is once you find a testimonial, you can either screenshot that on your phone or you can use a snipping tool on your desktop computer. So this tool right here is free, and all you have to do is open it and then just literally snip, okay, a photo of that testimonial. You can see right here, it automatically saves, and then I can just save this to my computer, because in a second, I'm gonna share with you an exact post that you can make to start to get interest from your warm market so you can make your first sale within your very first 7 days, okay? So let's go ahead and save this here. Okay, now once you save that testimonial photo, you wanna go to the social media platform that you have the most followers or friends. Again, your warm market, people that already like you, trust you. And what you want to do is you want to go to make a post. So it's going to depend on whatever platform you're on, but you're going to want to first off upload the photo of the testimonial and you download it. Okay, you can see right here that this photo is uploaded. And what you want to do is you want to add some text and you want to act excited, okay? Because you've just probably joined this affiliate program or this product and you want to be excited about the results. Now, again, this could be weight loss, relationships, whatever the result is. You want to talk a little bit about the result inside of the text, okay? So to make it related. So this person made $300. So you can say like, you know, OMG, I just saw one person who made, you know, $300 from this amazing money making program, okay? Which is true, you know, that's what's in the photo. Now we want to talk about how we just recently joined this program, or we just recently joined this offer, because the people that are our warm market, our friends, our family, they're going to be, you know, kind of curious, like what is this? And this is where you bridge the gap. So you could say, I just recently joined myself and I'm so excited by the results I'm seeing. Okay. Now, you just want to give a call to action. You want to tell people to comment so you can start to generate leads and interest with this post. So you can say, I'm super happy to be a part of this. If you want to learn more about this program, just comment yes, and I'll share the info, okay? So that's, you're commenting on it, and then you're telling people to comment yes if they want information. Now again, chances are your family, your friends are going to be similar to you. And if you joined this program or you're promoting this product, they're going to be interested as well, and they're going to start to comment, okay? And then all you have to do is when you start to generate comments, and this is an example post right here, okay? So I showed a result, and I said, you know, hey, if you want to discover free video, comment 900. And then you can see that I had people 900, okay? And I had a lot of comments, and then I just sent these people the link to my affiliate offer, okay? Now, there's just one last step, because what's gonna happen is these people, these friends, these family, whatever, they're gonna start to look at the offer. Now, a lot of them may buy right away because they're similar to you, and they're gonna see the same thing that you probably saw inside of this program. But if they don't buy right away, okay, we want to do this last step, and we want to follow up with people. So we want to actually message people who you sent links to, okay, a day or two later, okay, because, you know, people get busy, they get distracted. We want to follow up with them. So again, 1 or 2 days later, message the people who sent you the links, and you want to basically see what they liked about what they saw, okay? So you can ask them, hey, you know, what'd you like best about what you saw that I shared with you? And then you want to ask them if they're ready to join. You know, like, hey, you know, are you ready to get started today? And it's really that simple. And if they say yes, you just send them the link, or if they already have the link, you just walk them through joining. This is exactly how you can start making your first sale within your very first week. Now, if you're watching this and you want to access the exact high ticket affiliate program that I'm personally using that I shared with you inside of this video with all those testimonials, endless testimonials, as you can see right here, okay, over and over and over again. And this actually is a high ticket affiliate program that will pay you up to $900 instant commissions. And it also allows you to automate following up with people, okay? Because eventually you will want to automate this. You don't want to have to manually message people. And also, how do you actually start reaching, other people, your cold market, people that don't even know you, because eventually you will run out of your warm market. That's what's covered more inside of that program. If you want to discover more, click the link directly below. You can find out much more about that program. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this video if you got value, and I will see you on my next training.